So today we will learn about the implementation of financials through rapid implementation. It is critical part of implementation where rapid implementation is basically a spreadsheet functionality in Oracle Cloud which allows you to do implementation through the spreadsheet utility. All the setups what you do in financials like the setup of calendars, chart of accounts, currency, primary ledger, business unit, it can be done easily through the spreadsheet utility known as rapid implementation in Oracle Cloud. So to start with rapid implementation, first thing we need to ensure that we have that rapid implementation task is available through which we will proceed with our setups. To check on that, we will go to our user link. Under username, we will go to setup and maintenance. We will click on our task list. Click on manage implementation projects. We will search for the implementation project which has been created. If you would like to see the detail of how to create an implementation project, how to add multiple offerings in the task list, you can refer to the video for create implementation project. In this one, we will just look at the task list which should be there in order to do the configuration related to rapid implementation. So we will click on the project, the hub and implementation project which we created. So all that rapid implementation tasks, they are available under define common financials configuration for rapid implementation. So here you have everything what you need to have the generic financials configuration related to geographies, chart of accounts, ledger, legal entities. So these three steps is what we're gonna do. And you can also see that information being available over here to upload the bank branches and accounts through spreadsheet utility. So the very first part what we have to do here is create chart of account, ledger, legal entities, business unit in spreadsheet. So as we click on go to task, so once you have downloaded the spreadsheet onto your desktop, you will see rapid implementation for journal ledger information in the spreadsheet with multiple tabs. The first one is the instructions tab. In the instructions tab, you will see that information related to preparation of the data, loading the setup data, and also you will find the sample data file which you can refer to if you intend to refer any of the setups. And in addition to instructions tab, you will see tabs related to chart of accounts, calendar, ledger, companies and legal entity, business units, natural accounts, and financial sequences. So the very first thing which you need to define here is the chart of accounts. So chart of accounts is basically a critical component of that implementation. It is a vital decision to capture the business transaction for any organization, as organization may have different businesses at multiple locations. There could be different departments, and transactions will be across multiple categories. It could be like sales, purchase, salary to the employees, or any of the expense related transactions. So whenever we are recording a transaction in terms of accounting, it should be clear enough so that you are able to identify that this particular business transaction belong to so and so department, and it is of specific category, that is a sales transaction, or it is a salary to employees, and so on. In other words, transaction should be easily tracked and it should be easily used for the reporting purposes. So to capture that sort of information,